Good morning, my lovely student. Welcome to your science class. Student, after completing other exercises and question answer number 1, 2 and 3, today we will do remaining question answer of lesson 7. Student, your writing should be neat and clean and pay special attention to spelling. Student, after completing your work, please read all the spellings carefully. So now let's start today's work. Now student, first of all mention the date. Yes, 4th November 2020. Then CW lesson 7, parts of a plant. Okay, now answer the following questions. Now student, question number 4. What is photosynthesis? Okay, now what is photosynthesis? Now student, answer. Now student, answer. A green leaf makes food for the plant. Now plant with the help of air, water and sunlight. Okay, sunlight. Now student, this process is called photosynthesis. Okay, now student, question number 5th. What is germination? Okay, now what is germination? And student, diagram of germination of seed we will draw in next video. Okay, now student, answer. What is germination? Now answer. The process of growth of a new plant from a seed. Okay, now seed is called germination. Okay, now clear? Now student, question number 6. What is the main part of a shoot? Write its functions. Okay, now what is the main part of the shoot? Yes, now answer. Already I have explained. Yes, stem is the main part of a shoot. Okay, now clear? Now student, functions of the stem. Now first function, yes, the stem holds the plant upright. Okay, now upright. Now student, कुछ ऊंचा जैसे रखने को हो ना बेटू, तो हमको लगे ना। Now student, second function of the stem, it carries food and water to different parts of the plant. Okay, of the plant. Now student, third function, stems of some plants okay, now stems of some plants like like sugarcane. Okay, now sugarcane, potato and ginger. Okay, now ginger, store extra food, okay, in them. Now we eat the stem of these plants. Student, listen properly to these question answers. I am retelling you. Now, question number 4. What is photosynthesis? Yes, answer. A green leaf makes food for the plant with the help of air, water and sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. Okay, now clear? Now, fifth question. What is germination? The process of growth of a new plant from a seed is called germination. Okay. Now, question number 6. What is the main part of a shoot? Write its functions. Now, stem is the main part of a shoot. Now, function of the stem. First, the stem holds the plant upright. Second, it carries food and water to different parts of the plant. Now, third, stem of some plants like sugarcane, potato and ginger store extra food in them. We eat the stem of these plants. Okay, now clear, students? Student, today I told you about photosynthesis, germination of seed and stem. Okay, I hope you all must have understood very well. And now student, homework, learn all the question answer carefully of lesson 7. Have a nice day. Thank you.